To set up the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine with Burr grinder, first clean the accessories using mild detergent, rinse and dry. To prime the machine, plug it in, but don't turn it on yet. Remove the water tank and discard the red plastic seal. Place a container on the drip tray under the group head. Fill the priming pump with water, tip it upside down to avoid spills, hold the temperature button for 3 seconds until the lights turn on, then press the brew button. Insert the priming pump into the water tank hole and pump water into the machine. Once water comes out of the group head, press the brew button again, then turn off the machine. Soak the water filter for 5 minutes, rinse it, and place it into the holder. Set the slider 2 months ahead, install the holder in the tank, fill, and reinstall it. Ensure the hopper is locked. Pour in coffee beans and replace the lid. Press the power button. When the heating light stops blinking, the machine is ready. To rinse the group head, select espresso mode, then set the dose to 1 and press the brew button. To rinse the steam wand, point it into the drip tray. Then select steam mode. Press the brew button to let water flow for 3 to 5 seconds, then press brew again to stop. The machine is now ready to make your first espresso.